their yellow feathers are starting to come off, and they're going to start to grow new feathers. Here we are, week 3. They've lost a lot. Well, they're losing their yellow. Yes, they're thinning out with regards to their feathers. Let's see if I can grab one. See that? The yellow feathers are going to fall off. She'll stay yellow on the head for a little bit longer than her wings. Or maybe the wings will be longer too. So here we are at the start of week 3. We've given the chicks much more room, taken out a few of the straw bales, and so they've gained quite a bit more space. We've added a lot more shavings because it has been wet for the last few days and some of them are having a hard time. We've also introduced a much larger feeder because we can't let them run out of food, because if they run out of feed they will crush one another. So we put a larger feeder there now, and that holds one large 25 kg bag, and we'll see how many days that lasts. And start of week 3 means start of a different type of feed. We've changed to the grower feed now. So you'll start to see a bunch more changes happen this week as well. And I can see that they're a little cold and they're going to have a problem there. If they get too cold, that one there, you'll see that they try to get the heat, and in the meantime what they end up doing is suffocating one another. So we have to be careful that the temperature and shavings are adequate to ensure the chicks stay healthy. So the weather's been kind of damp, wet, and cooler, so we had to reintroduce the third heat lamp. They were getting cold and we ended up losing a couple. So we've increased the heat again, and we've added much more shavings to the ground, and hopefully we won't have any other problems.